Yeah, that's that's right there. And then there's a warehouse right there behind us. It's totally gone.
This one?
Right, that's totally gone.
Okay.
That building right there is actually, it's probably going to be green. It's probably good.
I won't mark it yet.
So we got to send, we're going to send a team over there and look at it. We got to do that here in just a second or two.
Is that me or you?
It's me.
Do some sightseeing here, guys.
What's that?
We're gonna do some sightseeing.
Yeah. Might as well join the thousands of others.
Yeah, get your cameras out.
Smart ass.
Thousands of people looking. I'm looking for 26th. I have no clue where it's at. I do not know.
Okay. Okay, those three are yellow.
Okay.
So we can do a PDA, individual, yellow for minor. Minor. You could do those. There is one I want to make a comment on too.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one do you want to do
No,
that?
these three are
Okay.
They're the comments on these three,
Okay.
and I'll do them all the same. If you can do all the same, we got the individual.
I can do it right now. Yep.
Okay. These three. Let's see. Unit 602, 662 is not occupiable, or you can say the north. Say the north unit not occupiable.